Hello brush friends, this is Maricar from 7 Brush Strokes, and in today's video, I'm going to show how you can create calligraphy with any writing instrument that you have at home. So grab your pen and paper and get ready to learn a new skill with me. First of all, let's define what faux calligraphy is. Using the Pentel Food Touch brush pen, which has a flexible tip, I'm going to write the letter A. As you can see, I can achieve thick strokes by just changing the amount of pressure that I apply, and when I lighten up the pressure, I can create thin lines as I move the pen upwards. This is the first thing that we should remember when doing calligraphy. Anywhere that your pen moves in an upward direction are thin, and anywhere that your pen moves in a downward direction are thick. Now, in faux calligraphy, since we only have a monoline tip that is not flexible, we have to create thick strokes manually. Say I'm going to copy this letter A written in brush calligraphy. I should have an upstroke, an oval shape, and then a U shape. And to make it look like a real calligraphy, I will thicken the part where my pen moved in a downward motion and then add shade. So when I created the oval, this is the side where the pen moved downward, so let's add weight here and fill that in. Next, we have the U shape, and this is where we move downwards, so let's add weight in here and add shade. As you can see, by just imitating where the downstroke should be thick, we have already created a faux or fake calligraphy. Learning faux calligraphy is easier as compared to brush pen calligraphy because you don't have to worry about changing the pressure on your pen. You're just drawing the shapes. Although another thing that you have to remember is that cursive is different from calligraphy. You can start with your cursive writing first, then add weight to the downstrokes. But if you want your faux calligraphy to look like more real calligraphy, you will need to break each letter into series of strokes and lift the pen. For example, I'm going to write hi in cursive, and then I'm just going to thicken the part where my pen moved in a downward direction. And this is how I write the word hi in calligraphy. I am breaking down each letter into series of basic strokes, and also lifting the pen is necessary. And as you can notice, because we lift the pen after each strokes, we have enough space to add weight for the downstrokes. Let's take a look at the word magical. Here is the word broken down into its letters. As I form each letters, I'm going to keep in mind the areas where the pen moved downwards so that I can add weight to the downstrokes as I go. fun thing you can do with faux calligraphy is that there are different ways you can add weight to your downstrokes. You can just leave them unshaded, or you can play around with some patterns. If you want more in-depth tutorial on how to do faux calligraphy, I have a full class that you can access for free via Skillshare. I will leave the sign-up link on the description box below. It will give you 2 months of premium access to my classes, along with other creative topics that you're interested with. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you'll try faux calligraphy, don't forget to share your artworks and tag me on Instagram at 7brushstrokes and use the hashtag #BrushFriendsCreate so I can feature your works on my stories. Thanks for watching and have fun lettering!